Cars aren't repaired the way they were a century ago. At DEKRA, we've evolved too. 100 years of progress in safety and sustainability. Sustainability isn't a choice, it's a necessity. Businesses must prove strong ESG practices. OEMs, insurers, and customers expect more than just repairs. They demand responsibility across your entire supply chain. So, where do you start? Start with DEKRA. Our tailored ESG audit solutions help repair shops and dealerships reduce your environmental footprint, improve workplace safety, stay compliant with evolving regulations, and build trust with customers and partners. Upon completion, you'll receive a detailed audit report and the DEKRA ESG seal, a mark of sustainability and excellence. Don't just repair cars, drive change. Start your ESG journey with DEKRA today.